today we're going to be making
tortilla.
tortillas with this and some water, and we're going to mix it up, and then it's going to become tortilla dough. And then you have to smash it in this tortilla maker.
It's called masa.
Masa. It's called masa.
Once you have the little ball,
Okay. And then once you have a little ball, you have to choose, and then
smash it
smash it. And
there.
And I want to make it really big.
And then you give it to your grandma. She's gonna take it out of the paper. Okay, here goes grandma. She's gonna take it out of the paper.
So gently, careful.
Quedito. Say quedito.
Quedito.
Okay. And then,
Now we're going to show you another.
a ver, enseña. Show where. Stand up out of there. That way you can show where it's gonna go.
Huh?
Tell them where it's gonna go.
It's right here.
It's called a pan. Un comal.
Come
Luego la ponen ahí. And then you have to. What do you have to do? Wait.
on. Wait.
Okay. And then the tortilla is gonna cook. And then look, Jorge, how it's going. It's puffing up like a volcano.
It's popping up like a big pimple.
Volcano.
Volcano pimple.
And then these tortillas, you can make quesadillas. You can make tacos. And we're gonna wait. What do you wanna do while you wait? You wanna do a little dance? What here? A ver, do a little dance. And then we flipped it. Grandma flipped it while George was dancing. And there's little Julian. Sí, Julian. Hola, baila con Jorgito. We got two other little dancers here. And a little food player right here.
Right here. Right here.
There she is. Okay, Jorge, you wanna run over here and check if your tortilla's done? And then grandma's gonna flip it. And it's yummy, 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 yummy.
Yummy in your tummy.
And they say, okay, guys.
Wait, I need to do another one.
Oh.